Hello everyone, and welcome to our new SecurityX course. Today, we're delving into a foundational aspect of organizational security, implementing the appropriate governance components based on a set of security requirements. First, let's discuss security program documentation. Effective documentation is the backbone of any security program, providing clear guidelines and expectations for all stakeholders within the organization. Policies are high-level statements that define the organization's stance on various security aspects. They establish the rules and principles that guide decision-making and behavior related to security. For example, a data privacy policy outlines how sensitive information should be handled and protected. Procedures are detailed, step-by-step instructions that describe how to implement the policies. They provide the necessary actions and processes that employees must follow to comply with the organization's security policies. For instance, an incident response procedure details the steps to take when a security breach is detected. Standards are specific, mandatory controls based on policies. They define the technical requirements and benchmarks that must be met to ensure consistency and compliance. An example is a password complexity standard that specifies the minimum length and character types required for user passwords. Guidelines are recommended practices that provide flexibility and discretion in achieving the desired security outcomes. They offer best practices and suggestions without being strictly enforced, allowing for adaptability based on situational needs. For example, a guideline might suggest using multi-factor authentication to enhance security, even if it's not mandated for all systems. Next, let's move on to security program management, which focuses on the ongoing administration and enhancement of the security program to adapt to evolving threats and organizational changes. One of the critical elements of security program management is awareness and training. Educating employees about security policies, procedures, and best practices is essential for fostering a security-conscious culture. Effective awareness and training programs cover a wide range of topics, including recognizing phishing attempts, proper data handling, and secure use of company resources. Now, let's discuss governance frameworks, which provide structured methodologies for managing and controlling an organization's IT and security practices. One prominent framework is the Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies. COBIT is a comprehensive framework that helps organizations align their IT goals with business objectives, ensuring that IT processes support overall business strategies. Finally, let's discuss governance, risk, and compliance tools, which are essential for automating and managing various aspects of security governance. Mapping in GRC tools refers to the process of aligning security controls and policies with regulatory requirements and business objectives. This ensures that all necessary compliance standards are met and that security measures are effectively mitigating identified risks. Automation involves using GRC tools to streamline and automate repetitive tasks, such as monitoring compliance, managing risk assessments, and generating reports. Automation enhances efficiency, reduces the likelihood of human error, and ensures that security governance processes are consistently applied across the organization. In summary, implementing the appropriate governance components based on organizational security requirements is essential for establishing a robust and effective security program. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.